You now have touring bags on a Softail, just like that. Simple, easy, drill 2 holes for the bottom bolts, and everything is there. Hey guys, Curtis from Hofmann Designs here. Wanted to go over, we released this at Biketoberfest last month, but it is our new Saddlebag Mount Kit for the M8 Softails. So the coolest thing about this is we really designed it for the lowrider ST models and the lowrider S's and things like that, and get rid of the clamshell bags that are 2 different lengths, even though the new models are same length. But it is utilizing putting on factory OEM touring saddlebags. So what's really cool is you can run, if you want to go OEM saddlebags, you can go OEM saddlebags. We've got a set here that came off of one of our bikes, has OEM bottoms, but it has our lids on it. But you can put OEM bags on it. You can put any aftermarket bags on it that are 2014 to 2023. We have our chopped bags. That's what we ran on this bike here. What we did is actually put the stock bags back on it. We'll show you a quick install on how easy this is to do it. But again, the coolest thing is get a lot more space, a lot more functionality out of what you have here when you go to the touring bags. A lot more options for more parts available. You know, you can do carbon fiber, you can do painted to match, you can have a regular lid. You have everything regular, latch covers, everything like that, locking saddlebags, so it's fantastic, right? And it can kind of convert it into more of a, you know, mini touring bike as well, especially if you got a lowrider ST, you know, with a fairing and whatnot. So Fitment, again, lowrider STs, lowriders, you can put it on other M8 Softail models as well. You know, verify that clearances and everything are correct. So how we did this, everything is going to be a full kit. It's going to be all the parts to the saddlebag mounting rail kit, and then you'll have all your mounting hardware as well. So everything is 100% bolt on. The only thing you'll have to do is, because this is a floating rail kit, you will have to drill 2 holes in each saddlebag to bolt the rail to the bag. That's going to give you your bottom support instead of a rail. Again, we include all the hardware. We include rubber washers, grommets, everything you need. You will still need to purchase, you know, saddlebag kits, lids, anything like that to get a full saddlebag assembly. That you'll still have to handle on your own. Like I said, if you want to go carbon, we can absolutely take care of you on that. So ultimately, everything we've done is 6061 billet aluminum, all machined right here in-house. It is 3 pieces each side, each standoff leg, and the cross member to support. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to install this. It's really quick and really painless. Go over to your bike. If you have a lowrider ST, literally open the bag up, take your bags off, just like that. Since we did this, rail comes with it. We already had the mount off down here since we've changed this already, but you'll have to take that off as well. So the way the kit is right now, it is not, you're not able to utilize a detachable backrest yet. So basically you'll start, take those out, grab your left side rail, 2 bolts, and these, all the kits we've done so far have been machine finish. They will be available black anodized as well when we do our next run of them. Tighten those down, take your new saddlebag. Again, your factory location holes are proper. So to locate and drill your holes, the best way to do this, lay your bag down, you will bolt your strut onto the bag. So use your factory bolt or factory mounts up top. But we're not going to drill these bags because these bags belong to a different bike. But there's your 2 holes. You know, tape your bag up really good. You know, drill your holes through there. Just make sure you use an undersized bit to not hit the threads that we have on there. Take your bag, your 2 longer bolts, and then we go over here. So you utilize your factory grommets for the spacing up there. 2 of our washers. Your bolt will go in here into the hole you drilled. Put the washer in from here so you protect your bag from the strut. Really a good tight fit, so get the washer started and then bolt that one on. Tighten your bags down. Just like that, that side's done. So we have the left side on completely. We'll come over here, duplicate, and do the exact same. Okay, there you have it. You now have touring bags on a Softail just like that. Simple, easy, drill 2 holes for the bottom bolts and everything is there. So the cool thing is, I mean, that now looks, you know, proper. You got a bag, a lid, a rear fender, everything. What's really cool is everything has clearance everywhere. We have swing arm clearance, everything that you need to get these bags on the bike. One of the questions we've been getting is how wide is it versus factory? So the factory bags are right about 27 inches right at their widest point. We are at 27 on the dot as well. So you are not getting any wider whatsoever on this motorcycle compared to a lowrider ST that has the bags from the factory. So, and again, this is our chopped bags. They are the same width out here. So whether you run our chopped bags or regular OEM bags, you're gonna have the same width. So that's what it is, guys. They're on our website. If you have any other questions about them, let us know. We're coming out with more stuff. We've got some more revisions that we're looking at doing these, kind of an add-on option and things like that. But there it is, it works great. Get yourself a regular, proper set of touring bags, ditch the clamshell bags that come from the factory, and enjoy riding your motorcycle and touring on it.